Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Kia Forte exhaust smoke and what different colors may indicate. Exhaust smoke can appear black, blue, or white and may signal underlying engine or system issues. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. Black smoke usually indicates too much fuel is being burned, which could be caused by a clogged air filter, faulty fuel injectors, or issues with the fuel pressure regulator. Blue smoke generally comes from burning engine oil, which can result from worn piston rings, valve seals, or turbocharger issues in some models. White smoke often signals coolant entering the combustion chamber, possibly due to a blown head gasket, cracked cylinder head, or leaking intake manifold gasket. Other factors like poor maintenance, low-quality fuel, or neglected oil changes may contribute to abnormal smoke in any color. Regular inspection and maintenance of air filters, fuel systems, and engine components help prevent excessive smoke and associated damage. Diagnosis usually involves checking fluid levels, compression testing, and inspecting for leaks or worn engine parts. Addressing the root cause may include replacing gaskets, repairing seals, cleaning or replacing fuel injectors, or correcting airflow and fuel mixture issues. In some cases, professional inspection is strongly recommended to prevent engine damage and ensure proper repair. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.